Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove recent files in Photoshop home screen. So as we can see, there are some files in Photoshop home screen, and if you want to remove, so click on File, open Recent. So hover cursor to open Recent, and in last you will see Clear Recent File List. Just you need to click on Clear Recent File List. That's it. So as we can see, all files are removed and cleared in Photoshop home screen. So hopefully guys you like this video, and by this basic and simple method we can know how to remove recent files in Photoshop home screen. Thanks for watching this video.